So Bob is your MC, and he's going to just allow people to tell their stories. Be mindful of each other's time. If someone needs a translator, let us know. There's other people that can translate for you. And tell your stories.
Okay, what I'd like to do is if we could just start for a moment of silence for the 26 people who are listed as losing their lives, and also the hundreds that aren't listed because they're undocumented. Okay, the first thing that we want to start with is a community speak out. So we have a number of people that have already registered that said that they wanted to talk, and I'm going to ask them to come up. But before I do that, I want to include you in the second part of the program, is where we're going to take an actual tour, and we're going to be able to tour some actual homes and take a look at them and see what the damage is. It's probably not necessary for a lot of you because a lot of you, or most of you, as you are, have a tremendous amount of damage as it is. But it's important to see what actual mold is once it's uncovered, because if you don't see it and you cover it up, you're creating a health hazard for you and any of the people that follow you into that home. So anyway, let's start with Allison. Allison Puglisi, are you here? Allison.
Hi. Hi, everybody. Yeah, I'm gonna sit. Sorry, I didn't know I was gonna be first. I want to say, sorry, that I was born on Staten Island. I've been here 46 years. So everybody who's hurting right now, I feel that. I lost the first floor of my house, but more importantly, I lost 2 neighbors on both of my cross streets. We lost a lot of people that are not spoken of. I know that because I live here and I know all the neighborhoods. I'm hurting not for myself, for my island. I mean, I have stories from every beach community here. Anybody who grew up here does. I'm still displaced, but I'm not here for myself. I'm upset because every time I've tried to reach out, I said, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about everybody. I know there's people still out there. I'm in the hotels. There's families there.
Anybody own
There's
that truck
still
across
people
the
in
street, the
shelters.
driveway?
And then there's all the people that are with relatives and displaced. And for some reason, I can't find help for everybody or for myself. I have trouble even getting to these meetings because I don't have transportation. I lived in a community where my pharmacy, my bank, my food, everything was right there for me. And now I don't have that. But as I say, I think what's getting to me the most is that I know what's here, I know who's missing, and most importantly, I know about all our communities that have been here for generations. I know that. And we watched each other grow up. We were all out together. We grew up together, and then we had kids, and our kids are here. They go to the same schools, and all of that's being broken up. There's two streets behind me. People left. They abandoned. I know you have that here too. You can't replace a town inside a city of 8 million people. People who don't live here don't understand that, and that's why we still need help. The mold is a big problem for me health-wise. My family doesn't even know. I tried to go home. I had to leave again. I got sick. I got sick 3 times, and I could not get help. So I don't want to take up any more time, but I just want everybody to know I'm going to keep working. You're my family. And none of us, there are so many wonderful volunteers here, and they're meeting, and they're trying to help us. Nobody's going to be forgotten. We're not going to let this go, and we just have to stick together. We've got to go from Cottonville to St. George, get everybody together, and speak as one. Please, that's really important. I'm splintered out there by myself. I know there's people all along. They don't even know what neighborhood they should associate with. It doesn't matter. You're a Staten Islander. So anyway, I'm here to help everybody.
Thank you so much, Allison. Thank you for sharing. And you're absolutely right when you talk about Staten Island. We're probably the most unique borough in the city. We are a community. You know, there are very few communities. You can say